Hey everyone, episode another Fast Talk. No, this ain't Fast Talk. No, this is the spin-off show Flavor of the Month, where each month, will review Dairy Queen's Flavor of the Month. I've always wanted to do a Dairy Queen review, but I think there was like a bacon sandwich, but that video never came out. I was like, how do I review Dairy Queen? It's all ice cream. And they're always coming out with new flavors a lot, so it's hard to do that one episode a week or so. So I was like, hey, I will make that a spin-off show where once a month I will review their flavor of the month. So we're gonna do that. And this month of I think this is April's uh, was the Animal Cracker uh, Blizzard. I would do the signature scoopy scoop thing. I really can't do that because it's kind of melted. Because I wanted to film this in the as I got it in the different parking lot. You see the Dairy Queen behind me, but I really couldn't do that because there was not a parking spot where I could face to show it. But I'll figure something out. But yeah, this was gonna come out Sunday, but yes, that was Easter. So we're gonna go ahead and review. No more excuses. Let's go ahead and review this. A little melted, but it's oh shoot. Well, yeah, it's a little melted. Pink in color. You got some swirls of color from the sprinkles of the animal cracker. So let's go ahead and review this. The animal cracker parts haven't gotten soggy yet, which is good. I can taste I can taste like bits of white chocolate in it. It's not bad though. I like how the frosting of the cookie gives it this pink color. It's really enjoyable. It's like a good strawberry ice cream. A little bit of white. It's like a good strawberry swirl. And I like the cookie part. Really good. Glad it wasn't I'm glad it really wasn't like cookie dough consistency. It's really good. Probably better if it wasn't as melted. But it's not bad. I actually really like that. Reminds me, this nice nostalgia reminds you being kids. Animal crackers. You got the white frosting and you have the pink frosting in it. It's really good. Would I get it again? Heck yes. I give an 8 for pretty good. Probably better if it wasn't melted. That's not their fault. But yeah, it's really enjoyable. I thought I saw this a couple months ago, but apparently not. But yeah, come see me next month where I take another whack at reviewing the next monthly Blizzard And if you don't want to, if you want to see more than just monthly, go check out Fast Talk, where I talk about Fast Talk and Fast About It. Music Mondays, where I review a new music album, and some other stuff that's on here. Go check it out. Also, check out my description. I got links to all the socials down there: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also my 50% off affiliate link for Rep Sports and Raise Energy. You can get it off your first order, so go and use it. Leave a comment, like it, share it, and we'll see you all later.
Yeah. Hey. Woo, woo, woo. I'm like, ooh, pull up and see how I live in my crew.